Hi guys, this is Harry from the H&R Tech Tips channel on YouTube. Today I will be unboxing the F12 PWM PST Value pack. This pack comes with 5 fans of 120mm with a 4-pin connector for RPM sync. If you didn't know what PWM stands for, it stands for Pulse Within Motion. And this manages to sync with your motherboard with your other fans to make them sync all together with the same RPM. Now we'll be unboxing them right now, but I just want to show you the product page on Amazon. They're around £19.28 in the UK, free 1-day delivery from Prime. Here is the description. More on this, I will put it in the description of the video as well for you people to read if you want to figure out of how to buy these. As you can see, the ratings are very, very good. Right, now let's get to the unboxing. As you can see, this is the box it comes in. Nice rugged box. Here, so we have a little latch. You turn around, open from here, then you open there, and here. There's a QR code inside the box for Arctic's website on here, on the manual. You get a free baggie of screws for the fans. These are fan screws, they're specifically routed for the fans. Right, so let's get here is a fan. One fan is here, one 120mm. As you can see, you can plug it in to the female connector or you've got the male connector on this fan. They are very, very nice looking fan. They will do very good in airflow. So that's one of them. As you can see, the rest are all just the same. And there is 5 of these. And here we have all 5 of them out. They're all the same colour, all the same stickers, nothing else in the box. This is the box finished. They are used for the front intake, exhaust, top exhaust and radiators and anywhere else you would like to use them. There's another video coming soon on these because I will be installing them in my case soon. I will update you on those when they are inside my case, and I will post some gaming of the temperatures. Okay, thank guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video with all your friends. Bye bye.